Hi everybody, foXnoMad here, and today I want to help you travel smarter by giving you this 1-minute review of the Sony a7C. If you want to check out my full review, that's linked in the description below, but these are the highlights. First of all, the Sony a7C is the smallest full-frame camera you can get on the market right now, and to keep the size down physically, Sony have cut out the grip, so the grip is a little bit smaller, it's not the most comfortable. The viewfinder on the back is a lot smaller and it's hardly usable, and also gets rid of a lot of the custom function buttons that you have on some of the other larger Sony cameras. But on the flip side, this camera is very customizable, so the buttons you do have can be customized any way you want. The grip is small, but it's manageable for most people, and the viewfinder isn't something you're probably going to use a lot, and you've got this flip out screen so you can see yourself if you're recording. In my opinion, if you're looking at the Sony a7C and you're already using a larger full-frame camera, then the trade-offs for the small portability gains you get on the a7C might not be worth it. But if you're starting from a smaller sensor like a micro four thirds camera system and you're looking to get into full frame, then the Sony a7C is a great first step in that direction. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and check out the full review, and I'll see you in the next video.